Hi, and welcome back to my 21 Gun Saloon. I'm a disabled veteran who likes to make drinks and would like to share them with you. Today, I'm going to take this Old Camp Peach Pecan Whiskey. It is 70 proof and is a product out of Indiana. Ounce and a half of your peach pecan flavored whiskey. And top it off with Faygo Firework. Give that a quick stir. I hope everyone out there is having a great day today. If you can do me a favor and smash that like button. While you're at it, subscribe to the channel. Thank you. I really do appreciate each and every one of you. These videos are also my way to honor the memory of the men and women who volunteered or may have been drafted to serve this country. If you would like for me to dedicate a video to a fallen veteran or soldier, email me at my21gunsaloon@gmail.com and I will dedicate it to your fallen hero. I will now raise my glass and pay my respects to Fred McKay. Fred passed away on September 5th, 2025 at the age of 94. He served in the Navy with combat during the Korean War. He called Maine home. You may be gone, but you will never be forgotten. Thank you so much for your service. You will be missed. I'm going to give that a 9 out of 10. The peach pecan works really well with the fireworks made by Faygo. This is good. I recommend it. Never drink to forget. Always drink to remember. Fred, may you rest in peace. Solid. On average, 22 veterans and soldiers take their lives daily. If you're having a mental health crisis, please reach out to the agencies listed in the description below. These services are free, so please reach out for help. If you like what I am doing, please like, subscribe, and share these videos. Please help me keep the memory of these heroes alive. Since these episodes contain alcohol, please drink responsibly and do not drink and drive. Thank you, and have a great day.